Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you visit a website earlier but can't remember its name? Google Chrome keeps a list of websites you've recently visited, so you can find them again using the history feature. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view your browsing history in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap History. The History page will open. Here you'll see a list of websites you've recently visited. You can tap any website to open it again. And that's how to view your browsing history in Google Chrome on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.